Here's my desk. My Bible. Hey guys, it's Hope and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a video that a surprising amount of people requested, which is a desk tour. Let's just get started with the video. Here's my desk, and it is from Pottery Barn Teen. It has 2 drawers and then 2 little shelves. My desk chair is also from Pottery Barn Teen. On top of my desk, I keep my Alexa and my pet rock, Rocky, that you've seen in my videos that I made in quarantine. Over here, I have this little metal container, which is from a friend, and in it, it just has envelopes for different occasions, like open when you are scared, open when you're happy, open when you're bored, tons of different stuff like that. Right in front of it is this little Funniest Kids test answers flip through thing that has a lot of funny kids test answers. Right here I have this first drawer where I keep most of my stuff. In the front I have some pencils and erasers. Next to that I have some markers and a glue stick. On the other side I have lots of different washi tapes. In one compartment, I have some paper clips. Next to that, some tape. Next to that, some lead. And I have some highlighters and some paper clips. Out of the compartment, I have some scissors, these little note pal things. And then I put it in a book, and it's a bookmark. But they're really cute little cupcakes and donuts. Here I have a stapler and then some staples and a stapler remover. The container that I keep all of the supplies in is from the Container Store. Next to that, I have this bigger compartment. In it, I have some calligraphy markers and fine tip pens, then some gel pens next to that. Next to my pens and markers, I have some sticky notes and some more sticky notes. Behind that, I have 2 calculators, some protractors, a ruler, and this notepad that I got for my birthday a few years ago. I also have this little container of square paper notes. Moving on, I have my shelves. Here I have some of these books that are just kind of random information, like everything you need to know for middle school math, history. I have some Italian, because before I went to Italy, I was trying to learn some Italian. Over here, I have all my different little notebooks and stuff. Here I have this to-do list. It is from Hobby Lobby, and it is brand new. So it looks like in the front, and it just goes all the way around, and it is super cute. Here I have my brand new YouTube planner, where I've been planning out all my videos. Here I have my normal planner, and here I have this little journal I just use for random things. Underneath that, I have my devotional book, my Bible, this Bible study binder. Underneath that, I just have some papers. And that is my desk. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like it, then subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!